Coloring by Fairy Cherry. Hello, sweetie pies! It's me, Fairy Cherry, and today we're going to use colors in our imaginations to make something super duper fun!
Not ride without them.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock.
Remember to like and subscribe for more exciting coloring journeys!
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck 3.
Remember, there's no right or wrong way to color. Just use the colors that make you happy.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock struck 6. Oh, little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
See you later, alligator! Wishing you a world full of colors and smiles until next time! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay connected with Fairy Cherry!